What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, guys. Guys, I'm just so excited, so happy today. Over $5,000 in gains today, guys. We went through these strategies yesterday with the big box, small box, and today we knew that it was going to be a big day. We did the analysis on futures last night, and we were consolidating for so long, and we just absolutely crushed it. And I'm so excited because a lot of these trades I did fully automated what I taught you guys on how to do that. And if you're new, and I'm going to do the stream again so I could show you exactly what I did. And I'm just so happy to share these profits with you guys. All right, so if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. Thank you. All right, so let's do some shout outs quick to the army. Calmine, Tad, Johnny, what's going on? Trading Wars Army, Gazzy, Ernesto, Hader, Shannon, Hillbilly, Jim, Bill, Jonathan, Eric, Trading Wars Army, good to see you. Wesley, Corey, Produce Chips, good to see you guys. Good to see you guys. Welcome in. Come on in. All right. So hit me with a 1 today if you banked. Hit me with a 1 real quick if you guys banked today. So let's start from the beginning, okay? So I'm going to go through these. Bank of America, Oracle, Baba. Hit those hard. I'm going to show you guys everything from the beginning. I'm going to talk to you about how to automate some of your trades as well, okay? So let's go ahead right now, and we'll start off with the free picks. So yesterday, I posted these picks. Let me just refresh this. Just refresh this right here, guys. So yesterday, guys, I posted these picks right here. Okay, so Baba, Intel, Google, Johnson & Johnson. And then for the Trading Wars Army members, I posted the bonus picks. So Bank of America, Oracle, Nike, Walmart, UAL. All right, so make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel. You'll get my regular picks. And if you want the bonus picks, just join the army. It's $4.99. Okay, I also post the regular picks on Twitter right here. And let me just go ahead here and I'll pull that up just to show you guys. So you can learn, guys. Trust me, you don't have to join anything. If you want to just follow along with the picks, you can. Okay, you can I post these, just follow along. You don't have to trade. You can watch. All right, you can still definitely learn so much by just watching. All right, so let's go right. First off, let's start off with the biggest gainer of the day, Oracle, $3,004. Okay, so I'm gonna walk you through everything right now. So let's go ahead and hit the replay. Boom. Okay, first thing, let's go to the daily chart. So all of these picks, they start with the daily chart. And what did I tell you guys yesterday? My favorite pattern is the Holy Grail, okay, which is the outside inside bar. If you don't have the indicators, go right in here. I'm going to copy and paste it again for you guys to have it because it's a free indicator right here. Okay, hold on. Let me go ahead. I'm trying to send that to you guys right now in the chat. Where's my mouse? Right there. Boom. Okay, so I sent it in chat. Make sure you have it. So what do? I go on Trendspider, or I use Thinkorswim. I have 2 scanners. I scan my Holy Grail. So I'm showing you everything I do step by step. Okay. So once we scan, we get the Holy Grail picks. Okay. So I'm scanning. So this is an example for tonight. Okay. And then I look, are these any stocks I want to trade? So the answer is no. But yesterday we had Oracle pop up, and that's why I posted it right here for you guys. Okay. And also on the Twitter. So we know that Oracle had an outside inside, which is a Holy Grail. And look at that bar, right? Let's look at the last time we had a Holy Grail. See how we had a red day? Let's look again, see if we can find another one. It's a rare pattern. Here's another one, a big green day. So what I can tell from that pattern is there's a good chance that we will break out. There's a good chance that we'll break out. And let's go ahead and draw it. How does it look? Well, here is the outside bar on the 5. And what about the smaller inside bar? This is your smaller inside bar right there. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in yellow. Okay, so there's your Holy Grail. What do we see happening in the price action? Well, we see the price action is starting to get tighter and tighter, right? You can see that right here. It's getting tighter and tighter. So it's forming this little triangle, which means that price wants to break out because there's buyers and sellers in here, and some people are trapped. Okay, so what do we do from here? Well, we put our levels. So we wanted to short at 88.53. So go ahead and put that in. 88.53 right there. And I'm going to go ahead and put that in yellow. And where did we want to go long? We wanted to go long at 89.34. So we know at some point today, one of these lines are going to break, right? We know that based on the inside bar that it's probably going to break today. Okay, so here we go. So let's go ahead and let's walk through. First candle comes in, boom. This guy's right here. This is perfection. This is what you want to see. First candle comes in, it triggers your entry for your short, breaks right through, bam, 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 bam. Okay, a little bit of a retest, that's fine. And then boom, roll over, right? And this, guys, was a 3,000 gainer for me, 3,000 bucks. And I put this trade in fully automated. And that's what excites me the most out of it, because I feel like you guys can easily put in these orders too. It doesn't matter if you're busy. It doesn't matter. You just need to commit a few minutes in the night and put these orders in. And if you don't want to risk real money, I totally get it. But you can definitely paper trade this. All right. So Oracle, $3,004. The same concept we use for all of these stocks. So let's go ahead and look at BAC. Same thing, Holy Grail. And what was the other one? BABA. BABA. BABA was just a straight up inside bar. Okay. So really, really nice. Same concept for everything. And let's talk a little bit more about why this worked. Okay. So how was I able to make all this money today? One of the other things we did yesterday is we looked at futures. Okay. So you remember we looked at futures together. Let me go ahead and do the analysis again. So this was last week's high. So notice this, right? We broke last week's high on Sunday night. We rejected. Okay. We broke it again on Tuesday. We rejected. We broke it again today on Wednesday, and we fully rejected. So how many times did we reject this area? So between 4,025 to 4,035, right in the zone. How many times? How many times did we break it? What do you guys think? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So by the fourth time, guys, it's the buyers are getting trapped every single time until they just gave up. Okay. So that's why today we had this huge sell-off, right? From 10 o'clock, bam, because every time you could see right here, if you look at this candle, you could see a little rookie right in there. There's the rookie buying the breakout, always buying the breakout, always chasing through FOMO right there. And guess what? That used to be me. That used to be me. Hit me with the one. Has that been you before? That's been me, guys, before. So that rookie right there, watch this. The high in the morning was 40.3275. The rookie comes in, buys it at 40.3350. So 1 point above, they get in, and then boom, straight down, straight down, guys. So this was a part of the analysis why I wanted to get in so heavily involved, because before the market opened today, you see how we were in this box. So I knew at some point this box has to break, right? The box has to break. The box cannot hold forever, right? And then we got that break finally, bam, and you see how we crushed right through it. So that's how you can use, that's what we talked about yesterday, using the futures market, understanding, all right, today is a high volatility day. And we could just see it, right? We don't even need to look at futures. We could look at my patterns, right? The patterns tell the story. Here's a Holy Grail. What does a Holy Grail mean? It means that we've been consolidating. Okay, the range has been tightening up like this. And finally, this one was a really picture perfect trade because we broke our level, and then you can see how we retested it twice. So even if you missed the first entry, you have a second one. Right on the second entry, guys, there was an inside bar. Bam, take it straight down. So please make sure you're either following the Twitter for the free picks, follow the YouTube for the free picks, and if you want to go to the next level, subscribe as a member right there, and you're going to get the bonus picks as well. So really nice there, guys. And I just wanted to also talk about how I entered the orders in the brokers. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and link the conditional orders for you guys, the guide, and I'll go through it on a high level with you. You can read up more on it, and I have some videos on it. So let me go ahead and find that for you. 1 second. So honestly, guys, the best feeling for me is if I hit a winner and the night before I was going through it with you guys. I can make 15K, 20K, 100K, let's say. But if I do it with the community, that's what makes me feel even better, because I know that I taught somebody how to fish. All right. So hit me with a 5 if you guys agree. I went ahead and I put the Trading Wars. I just linked the guide in there, right there. So click on that and let's read through the conditional orders together. Okay. So I want to just make sure I explain this to you. So in interactive brokers, when you're setting your order, you want to go to modify. You right click your order, modify, go to condition. All right. And let me just put this out there too. I have a full video on this, right? Let me find the video. 1 second. Resources. So always check the resources page if you need help. So that's our series, quick guides, tools. Why is it not here? Well, I definitely need to put that in, guys. I don't know why it's not here, but let me just Google it right now and I'll find it for you guys. 1 second. This is an important video, so if you can watch it, it'll be good. So how I enter orders in IBKR. 1 second. All right, so here's the video. I'll link it in the description. So I did a live entries in the demo account. So I'm just gonna put that in right there for you guys. All right, so there we go. So you can watch that one too. But let's just go through the guide here together. So you have to attach a condition. Okay. So when you attach a condition, the condition can be based on the options. So if you want to do the options, you will base it on the underlying stock price. So it says when the price of the underlying stock falls below 464, for example. So this is an example. This is the order you would put in. Then it'll buy you one option contract of whichever one you indicated. Okay. But you can also do that for shares. You can also do some crazy things. So let me show you something crazy. Okay. So you could say when futures breaks below 4,000, buy me puts on Oracle. Okay. So that's something I can show you too. So you can use the index as your guide for when you should short individual names. All right. Hit me with a 1 if that makes sense. Does that make sense? So you can use the index. So when the index is weak or when SPY is weak, like you see weakness in SPY, you can set a conditional order to short a stock. So for example, if we look at Oracle, right? Oracle had weakness from the open. And the big short on Oracle came in around 10:30. And this is the same time SPY started to drop like crazy. So, but look at SPY in the morning. SPY was rallying in the morning. See the rally? Oracle was fading in the morning. So now I could say, all right, when SPY starts dropping here, right? Now I want to short Oracle because Oracle is even weaker based on the price action in the morning. And that's what we call relative strength and relative weakness. Hit me with a 10 if that makes sense. Okay. So that's another thing. That's if you want to go really advanced. I keep it simple. So I just use my triggers when I'm below 88.53. Either buy me. So I use shares in all my positions right now because I have a big enough account to do it. But when I first started, I would do options, right? But the options, sometimes the commissions kill you. So make sure you're using a good broker that has cheap commissions. I use Interactive Brokers because the commissions are cheap. Some brokers, especially in those retirement or tax-free accounts, the commissions on option contracts are ridiculous. All right. All right. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much for your time. And I hope you enjoyed that little lesson there. Please make sure you follow along for the picks. And like I said, right now, guys, I've been saying this every day, but we're doing a massive sale on tradingwars.com. Instead of getting 30 days for free, you're going to get 90 days in the live Discord with us. This sale will only be effective until the end of January. So you have about 12 more days to get involved. If you're interested, you'll get my premium indicators for life. The premium indicators have alerts, so you can send them to your phone, to your family, whoever you want to send them. This book right here, I'll show you this one, SPY Options Mastery and Stock Options Trading. Those two books talk about triggers, right? So if you want to learn more about my triggers, how I come up with them, you'll see right here, trigger or breakout, trading automated orders. I also talk about it in here, advanced triggers, triggers exhibit. I have a lot of examples for you guys if you're interested as well. Hey, I want to thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate you guys. The last thing, resources page, please check that out. The bundle page, anybody that wants to go for a full year, this is the time to do it. Normally with my bundle, you get 4 months, you get all the books, seminars, you get the VIP experience. But I'm going to bump that 4 months up to 12 months. So everything is ×3 right now because I'm trying to ×3 in the stock market. So I got to give value to get value, right? That's how things work in life. If you give value, get value. You help other people, good things come back to you. That's why I keep trying to push the positivity. I'll post the pics right after this. And that's it, guys. I really hope that these videos are helping you. And I'm sharing my journey as we do these things live and how I'm growing my account. And I really hope it's beneficial. Thank you so much. Go ahead and leave a comment. We're going to do some giveaways soon. Okay. So just go leave a comment. Don't forget. Let me know if you're a stock guy or you're a SPY guy or you're a futures guy. I want to know. I want to know my audience. Are you trading stocks like these ones? Are you trading futures? Are you trading SPY? What do you guys do? Thank you so much.